This video will show you how to do an ANOVA along with chi-square in SPSS. In Blackboard, I have uploaded in the Datasets and Codebooks tab the Social Capital Dataset. It's already in SPSS form, and the Social Capital Dataset Codebook. Be sure to have the codebook open, and you'll see it is quite lengthy. There's a lot of variables. Also open up the SPSS Social Capital Dataset from Blackboard. And it may take a bit of time to upload on the Citrix receiver due to the large size. You may also get this message about string variables. Just go ahead and click yes as recommended. And the data set is loaded. There are thousands of cases. Well over 12,000 observations, and there's quite a few variables. If we want to run an ANOVA, we know that our dependent variable needs to be at the interval level, and our independent variable at the nominal level with more than one category. So in the social capital data set, there's a variable that's a feeling thermometer towards different individuals in society. And if you scroll down in the codebook to, it looks to be page 61, there's a feeling thermometer score for feeling towards Muslims. And the question to individuals responding to the survey was, I'll read you a group and ask you to rate it from 1 to 100. The higher the number, the more favorable you feel towards it. And then they ask how they feel towards Muslims. The 0 to 100 measure is considered interval. And say we wanted to see how this variable varied according to party identification. I'm going to search for the party variable in the codebook, and we found it here. It's listed as party ID. Generally speaking, do you think of yourself as a Republican, Democrat, Independent, or what? And you can see this is a nominal level variable. More than one category, categories 1 through 5. 8 and 9 are missing. That's what the M stands for. They're out of there. And the label is going to be 27A party ID for the party identification variable. And the feeling thermometer towards Muslims is variable 50E8FTMUSLM. So this is an interval level dependent variable. We have the independent variable at the nominal with more than 2 categories, so we need to run an ANOVA. So you click Analyze. Compare means, and then go over to one-way ANOVA. Your dependent list is your dependent variable. So we're going to look for that variable in the feeling thermometer towards Muslims, and we saw it was 50E8. So scroll down, you see 50E8, and if you hover over it, it'll put the whole question. So we've got that highlighted, move it to the dependent list. Now political party is our independent variable, and it will go into the factor variable, and I believe it was labeled 27A. Yes, 27A. Generally speaking, do you usually think of yourself as Republican, Democrat, Independent, or what? And you see that the label's party ID, so go ahead, highlight 27A, move it to the factor box, and click OK. The box to pay attention to is this ANOVA box. What it gives you is the ANOVA test. It's an F test. You see the F value is 28.384. And the significance is 0.000. So it is statistically significant. We can make a conclusion at the 99% confidence level. that religious affiliation and feelings towards Muslims are correlated. That relationship is statistically significant. One of the downsides of the ANOVA is that you will not be able to determine which religious group is affecting that relationship and whether that religious group is affecting it in a positive way in terms of having higher feelings towards Muslims, or if it's in a negative way on lower feelings towards Muslims. That's what we'll have to do when we run into when we do regression analysis in the next few classes. So this is how you do an ANOVA. In the next video, in order to save space, I'll post one on how to do chi-square.